So let's begin with our first chapter, SEO introduction and basics. So if you want to be an SEO expert, it's very important you know what a search engine is. A search engine is anything which you can find information. Let me give you an example. The top 3 search engine right now, Google, Yahoo, Bing. These are the search engine which is mostly used in America, and there are various other search engine used in Russia, China. In Russia, Yandex is more famous. So if you want to be an expert in SEO, you should understand how really the search engine works. So first of all, SEO stands for search engine optimization. Now it's very important, if you have a website, to get it discovered on search engine. Now let me tell you what are the type of SEO. There are 3 type of SEO. One is the white hat, gray hat and black hat. So what's the difference? White hat is a technique which is ethical and you follow the complete guidance of search engine and you are not trying to manipulate the system. Gray hat is between white hat and black hat, where you are using some techniques which are not unethical, but through which the search engine cannot find you or penalize you. So you are using your tricks. This is where most of the businesses are. They use all gray hat techniques. Black hat techniques are something which is very unethical and is against search engine guidelines. Now if you try to use black hat technique, you can get on the top instantly, but most of time it's not good for a long run, because once you have been penalized and banned by search engine, your website is banned for permanently and you cannot do much about it. Now if you want to be an SEO expert, it's very important you should understand how search engine works. Search engine works by crawling. They have a spiders called crawlers. So what they do, they visit your website and they crawl information and data on your website. Now most of the search engines cannot understand images, they cannot crawl images. So it's very important you have a relevant text, links and information which a search engine can crawl. Now a search engine is anything which store information. For example, Google is a search engine where it finds all the websites. Now even an e-commerce store, they also have a search function. That's called a search engine within an e-commerce store. So a search engine is important for every business to find information quickly. So as you know, everything is going online and there is so much data available online. So Google, which is one of the top search engine, uses its unique algorithm called PageRank, which we will discuss in later part of the chapter. It has more than 150 to 200 factors, how to rank your website. Now there are various forms of search engine. Directory listings are called local search engines, where you can find information about local businesses. So in short, a search engine is a company or an engine which stores information in a database, and you can easily find those information by writing a query. For example, if you are finding a business in your local area, for example, you are finding a bakery in New York. So what a search engine does is it goes through that query and it finds which information is available in that database and brings you relevant search results. So let's discuss in the next chapter.